Hey, I have good news for you. I want to show you this tastefully finished 5-bedroom duplex right here in Apo Resettlement, Abuja. I'm sure you never knew that you would find this kind of property in Apo Resettlement, but hey, guess what? I'm about to blow your mind. It has 2 living rooms, 5 bedrooms, and a smart finishing interior, swimming pool at the back, a room and parlor BQ. Let's go on a tour. I'll show you what this house is all about. Let's go. On this floor, we have the living room, we have a bedroom, which is also en suite, the kitchen and the store, and also the visitor toilet. As you can see, this is the door that takes you into the living room. I love it. I love the fact that you can have a peek into it. Then, voila! Everything's done, all the fittings are done and ready. The TV, smart TV, you can have it here. And then this, you can have your dining area around here as well. This is the bedroom downstairs. Most people refer to it as visitor bedroom, but it all depends on you, whatever you want to do with it, right? Is what you do. If you put your house, get house boy, cousin, uncle, brother, you can all stay. It also has this bathroom. Remember I told you all rooms are en suite, right? Very beautiful. Definitely want to live in this house if you can afford it. Just like say, let's take a look at the kitchen, what it looks like. All right, so this is the kitchen. Very spacious kitchen if you ask me. Cabinets all around it. You can see the microwave over there, steam clean cooker as well attached to it. And all you have to do is just come in, put all your gadgets, and boom! All you just do is just start cooking, right? Also in the kitchen, it has a spacious store for your food stuff. Don't worry, it is safe. Let's go check out the rooms upstairs. As we're going up, the lights keep coming on, as you can see, right? So upstairs on this floor, we have 4 bedrooms and 1 living room. Let's go check it out. So this is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, it's quite spacious. All rooms are en suite. There's a bathroom here. Very nice looking bathroom. Spacious shower also provided. Let's see another room. Now, this is the Odogu's room. This is the room where Odogu, Parara, and his wife are gonna be chilling. This room, as you can see, tastefully finished and furnished. It has a balcony. Let's see what and then the closets, the master bedroom closets, and let's check out what the master bedroom bathroom looks like. Ta-da-da! You may want to add yourself maybe a bathtub or a jacuzzi if you want. For those who like stuff like that, you can add a jacuzzi to it alongside the shower area. Also, that's already been provided. You can add a jacuzzi or bathtub to it if you like. So I told you earlier that it has 2 living rooms, right? So this is a mini living room upstairs where the family can have a very cool time. You can even decide to turn this place into, a cinema of your choice. And guess what? It has a balcony and the view is amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, Apo and Abuja right at your disposal. All right, let's check out another bedroom that's in this beautiful house. This is the 3rd room I'm going to be showing you in this house. Very beautiful, very clean, very exquisite. It has its own spacious bathroom as well as its shower area. Very nice. Let's go on to another bedroom. Now this bedroom is the one some people will say, Madame. It's not a Madame bedroom. Well, whoever has it, because this may be transformed into a walk-in closet. That's why they like to call it Madame bedroom. You know, Madame load, Madame cloth, always plenty. And so, case, but you can decide to do whatever you want to do with it, whether for Madame or for the kids or anybody. But this is another very spacious bedroom. Also has its bathroom. Remember, all rooms in suite. Also has its own spacious bathroom, shower area. I'm sure you've heard about security doors, right? Now, this is the definition of a security door. It's a bulletproof door. Once you're inside and locked up, nobody, you're not born away. You won't come enter inside illegal. So, one of the best facilities that this house has got. Remember, I also told you that this house has an ample parking space. As a matter of fact, this house can take 7 cars. This space precisely can take as much as 7 cars. You think I'm joking? 1 car will fit into this place. 1 SUV for that matter, G-Wagon, go enter here. And then this space, you can have your Rolls Royce sitting very pretty. Not be say until you get Rolls Royce before you buy the house. So the flooring of this house, exquisitely done with premium quality in mind. This is not just your regular interlock or cement and all of that. It was done with quality and assurance in mind. I love it, absolutely love it. So what we have here is this is the powerhouse, and the changeover switch is where it's located. Just beside it also is a security house. The same security man said be chilling, right? Obviously, just because not security, you can't live for anyhow house. Security is chilled. Let's go to the back of the house. I'll show you the swimming pool, the BQ, and other resting areas that this house also comes with. You will be blown away. Now, this is a mini swimming pool, family sized, no fear your kids are gonna get drowned, small enough to contain everybody, right? Not be Olympic, so it's just something to chill with. And then on this other side is a chilling area. You even have a barbecue going on here, family chilling, and then you're having a family relaxation spot. Now this is the exit door to the kitchen. Remember, it's also an entrance door, so emphasis had to be made on the fact that it has to be a very quality security door as well, because it can also give you entrance or exit into or out of the house, right? So quality, finish work for there. Let's check the BQ out and see what it is. Remember, I told you earlier that we have 1 bedroom flat BQ. So this is it. The good thing about this BQ is that it's attached to the main house. If you are not told that this is the BQ, you absolutely wouldn't even know. So this is the living room for the BQ, right? And then this is the bedroom, the BQ, the bathroom, the BQ, and then here is the kitchen of the BQ as well. So very spacious kitchen, very spacious 1 bedroom flat BQ, all together in this 5 bedroom, fully detached, 2 living rooms duplex in Apo Resettlement area of Abuja. So after this tour, I can confidently tell you that this house is a masterpiece. The view is amazing, the finishing is top-notch, and everything about this house is exquisite. It also has a very, very short proximity to Buzape from the back of it. Buy this house and thank me later.